Hello, and welcome back. Wow, I'm gonna have to cut that out. This is my third time doing this intro because I was not recording when I thought I was recording. So, good morning. It is morning. It's like 8. So therefore, grab yourself a cup of coffee. It's later in the afternoon, a LaCroix, and even later than that, a glass of wine, because that is the order of the beverages I drink in a day. So, here we go. Do you ever have one of those outfits that looks way better when you're standing up, but then when you sit down, it's not really working out for you? Because same. Just gonna sit like this. Welcome back to another thrift haul. Okay, so this thrift haul, I'm gonna cut to the chase. I did not anticipate to necessarily go, and then I did. I just found myself there because I had something telling me like, Gabe, go. And I mean, it paid off, so I'm gonna follow that intuition, you know, again and again and again until I'm drowning in thrift clothes. So we have here today, it's a lot of brand name items because I only probably had 45 minutes in the store, so it was kind of like boom to the men's section, boom, do a little lap around the ladies, see what we can get, and if there was brands that were like popping out on me and they're in good condition, I was picking them up. Alright, so the first item that I picked up are these white Adidas track pants. They're, oh no, I kept on saying Adidas, they're Nike, okay. The other ones I got were Adidas. So there's white Nike track pants with this black, like, not stitching, black piping and some very little pockets. I don't know what you do with that. But they're in like perfect condition, which is awesome to find a white item at the thrift store that's looking great like this, but I totally understand that because I'm the type of person to be too paranoid to enjoy a white item like such. So I get where this person's coming from, but I will enjoy these. And they have the soft like inner material, so they're not gonna be like that sticky feeling on the inside. You know what I'm talking about with some windbreaker pants. But these are super cool and I'm excited. I hope they look cute on. We will see. On to the actual Adidas pants. Picked up these Adidas black pants. I don't have any like Adidas sweatpants like this, so this is exciting. Once again, this one has a like more of a mesh interior where that one had like a soft t-shirt material. So these are a little bit more lightweight. They have the classic 3 red stripes down the side, the red Adidas logo, and now that I'm looking at these, I'm not sure if these are, they're medium. Are they medium boys? I'm not sure. They were in the men's department, so we'll see. Chugging along with the bottoms is this cute little Tommy Hilfiger denim skirt. No, not skirt, just skirt. We wish it was a skirt. You know how I feel about those. So, Tommy Hilfiger skirt. It's got this slit up the side, the cute Tommy details like this little patch right here, and then the T and the H on the pockets. Denim skirts are way back in, especially ones that have a 90s, 2000s feel, and that for sure does the trick. It's a youth size. It's a youth size 5, so I am not sure, but I will see. I'll give it my best shot. The last bottoms that I got are these yellow vintage shorts. I've really been into finding these at the thrift because they're all over Urban Outfitters. It's the little waist, the wider leg. We're seeing a lot of baggy bottoms be really in, and that's honestly such a refreshing new trend after years of skinny jeans. Years. Too long. I'm ready for the looser bottoms because that allows you to wear tighter things on top and it looks more proportional in my opinion. So these are a very light wash yellow with the paper bag waist. I'm excited to see if these look as good as I intend them to. Alright, I have 2 dress-ish types. This little white dress has some, oh gosh, like embroidery-ish stuff going on. And it's like a overalls moment, kind of. It's, yeah, like an overalls dress that's very lightweight. Summer number, I can tend to dress a little bit more masculine, but then some days I just really want to be extra girly. So I think this will be perfect for that. I'm excited to style that. The next thing, and the last dress that I have, is this little Esprit 90s black tank top dress with a little bit of detailing here on the top trim. I can't go wrong with a little black dress. I feel like it's something you could dress up with little heels, dress down with tennis shoes, super free and easy. The next thing I got is this graphic tee. Obviously, like, band tees are way in, and the reason I grabbed this is because I also had a Fall Out Boy band tee back when I was in high school, and now that I think about it, it was my sister's band tee that I stole from her. So I saw this, I saw the graphic with the rose. It kind of looks like the Beauty and the Beast logo, which I'm sure that's what they were going for, but it's the American Beauty, American Psycho, is that the album name? I think. So a little band tee, can't go wrong with jeans, tennis shoes, you know the drill. On this 90s, 2000s wavelength, we're seeing a lot of Guess having another moment, especially like vintage Guess. So I was super excited when I found this studded, bedazzled, ruche sides tank top. Excuse me. I think it's super cute and totally on trend. I was really excited when I found that. So I got one sweatshirt, and it's this Red Wings Reebok black hoodie, and I'm just got this because I don't have a lot of sweatshirts, which is probably a lie. I mean, I don't have a lot of hoodies, that's what I'll say. I don't have a lot of like basic hoodies. This is perfect for, you know, you're working out, little top layer, whatever, you know, it's just a hoodie, and I like it. So do I care about hockey? No. But do I care about being comfortable? Yes. Then I have this navy blue with this, it's not white, it's like almost like a gray like stripes and little Adidas logo here, classic little athleisure look. And then this Nike, this is actually a really cool material. It's like a like ribbed material. Nike men's, this is an embroidered Nike, so, and it's vintage for sure. Nike Swish, and it's got the Nike logoing here at the bottom. Super cozy. Really love this. Really love the fabric. It looks really vintage in my opinion. And then that leaves us with the last section of this little impromptu haul called Hear Me Out, okay? So as I have mentioned before, I'm a Depop seller. You can find my shop at Gabe Moyer, and I'll have it linked down below. A lot of the trends we're seeing are Y2K and 90s, and if you're familiar with Depop, you know that already, so I sound like a broken record. If not, then you might be like, why did you pick these up? So we're seeing a lot of like baby tees in mixed with the bigger pants, and so I picked up this Hard Rock Cafe Key West little t-shirt, and then the graphic is also on the back. I sold a Hard Rock Cafe men's shirt like extremely quickly, so I picked this up to pop on my shop. I think that's cute and someone will really enjoy that. And then this, we're seeing a lot of racing tees, whoop, as well, almost fell. We're seeing a lot of racing tees, and so I'm going to, thought there was a stain. I'm going to crop this little Dale Jr. 88 t-shirt. I love a splash of ironic vibes to my wardrobe sometimes, like Harley Davidson, a racing tee, a camo. It's just for fun. It's just to experiment with different looks. I almost didn't show you these two pieces because I knew I was gonna have some haters about them, but I think that they're fun. Right, here we are with the first pants. I'm super excited about those. And by the way, I did find the big pockets, but I'm super excited about these. They're in great condition with this black swish and the black trim details. I think it looks so cute paired with a little black crop top or a crop sweatshirt for cooler days. And what a fun piece. I just don't have a lot of white in my wardrobe, but when I do get a white piece, I really enjoy it. So really excited about this item. This is my vibe summed up. Big pants, little shirt. Alright, so here are the next pair of sweatpants. They are the black with the red stripes, Adidas pants, and I'm committing the cardinal sin of mixing Nike with Adidas, but I just have more Nike pieces. Alright, this look I call little boy grandma chic because, well, I think that's pretty self-explanatory. Shorts that are paper bag waist, and then the built-in drawstring kind of looks like a shoelace, which is also pretty trendy right now. So all in all, I give these shorts a 10 out of 10. Right, now we have this cute, super lightweight little overalls dress. I love a little white dress in the summer, especially paired with white sandals for an all-white look. I think if you got a little bit of tan, it really makes you pop. Here is this little black tank dress. You can't go wrong with something like this, especially on a hot day like today. You just throw it on. Super cute and casual. Alright, here is the bedazzled Guess tank top. I don't think that it's missing like any rhinestones, which is great, and obviously I wouldn't wear like gold jewelry with all this silver bling, but this is completely early 2000s vibe. You can't go wrong with a band tee. I would love it with a pair, actually the jeans I was wearing earlier, with like some ripped up light wash jeans or even a joggers for a more casual day. But I have so many cute clothes, but what is it about a giant men's t-shirt that I just love? It's really cozy, great condition, and it's like a mystery. Does she have shorts on? Does she not? She does, but gotta keep them guessing. Another really casual look with this Adidas tee. Perfect when you pair with some shorts and some tennis shoes for a day on the town. Super easy, and this material is the kind that, you know, isn't gonna be wrinkly, that athleisure material. Got the 3 classic stripes down both sleeves. Very easy, very fun. You're up for any kind of adventure in an outfit like this. Ideally, this little tee would be paired with some big baggy jeans to counteract the tininess of this top. However, it's gotta be close to 90 degrees in my bedroom. I just can't do it, so imagine. But yeah, I think it's super cute. It's got some graphics on the back that aren't really showing up, but just take my word for it. Super cute little baby tee. Alright, I made myself put a pair of jeans on so you could see my vision for this top, because it may have taken a little bit of vision for some of you, but that's fine. Give it a nice crop, as you see, maybe a smidge too short, but lately I've been cropping things like too long, like it's not even cropped at that point. But I still think it's super cute, very like fashionable, trendy look at the time that you can find at the thrift. So actually really happy about this. Love this blue and black and white combo. Think it looks really great with these light wash jeans and tennis shoes. So I'm actually feeling like pretty much like a cool girl in this. Got a lot of name brand stuff for, you know, a quick power walk of 45 minutes through the Goodwill. Can't go wrong there. I appreciate you hanging out with me today, and stay tuned because there'll be many, many, many more hauls to come. Thanks. Bye.